Hey everyone! Today we're making fluffy apple and cinnamon cupcakes. Sweet, cozy, and delicious. Let's get started. Eggs, sugar, vanilla yogurt, oil, flour, baking powder, apples. First, add the sugar into the mixer. Now, add the eggs to the sugar. And finally, add the vanilla. Turn on the mixer and let everything blend together well. Mix until the batter lightens in color. When the batter lightens in color, it means it's ready. While the batter is getting ready, we peel our apples. Now, start chopping the apples into small pieces for our cupcakes. All right, now that the batter is ready, gradually add the oil. Then, gradually add the yogurt. Now add the baking powder to the flour. And then gently fold it into our batter. Now our batter is ready. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees so it's ready. Now add the chopped apples to our ready batter. And mix well so everything is evenly combined. Now, spoon the prepared batter into our cupcake molds. Then place them in the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until they're fully cooked. Now our cupcakes are ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!